BCBAs, this is your guide for de-escalation, part 2. Now that we have de-escalated the behaviors, we can learn from that episode and choose the next steps that sustain progress without overwhelming the child. This is how I do it. 1. Post-de-escalation assessment. Once the child is de-escalated and engaged in a preferred activity, inquire about the antecedent, the consequence, and the functions of the behavior. This information is crucial for the decision rule, where the BCBA decides whether to represent the original demand, start with an approximation, or move on to a different activity. If the original demand is appropriate and unlikely to retrigger, represent it. Clean once and then wait. If risk is high, we choose a realistic approximation, build success, and shape back to the full demand. If we don't have the resources in that moment to support a full de-escalation again, we move on to the next activity, and the BCBA will work on closing the gap with either more training for the technician or making changes in the behavior support plan. 2. Professional language and model it consistently. For example, A. Deliver the direction once, wait 5 seconds, and then prompt per the BSP or behavior support plan. B. Reinforce the smallest correct step toward the target response. And C. Let's keep our tone neutral and our pace steady. 3. If behavior is non-dangerous, such as mouthing, screaming, crying, and uncooperative behavior, still ask for antecedent, consequence, and functions of the behavior. 4. Out-of-earshot rule. All necessary conversations occur out of the client's earshot. Dignity is non-negotiable. When we protect HRE, analyze the antecedent consequence function, and choose the right next step either to represent, approximate, or move on, we build reliable progress. Thank you for watching.